used to spend a ton of time pulling my hair out, managing inventory, placing reorders, understanding what I need on hand. And Fabrikatör has really helped me save a ton of time. But what I want you to look at here is the open to buy sheet within Fabrikatör. This is showing me what I should be purchasing, suggested restock based on what we have available, what we have incoming, what we've sold previously. And this suggested restock is based off of the number of days of stock that we want to have on hand and what our lead times are. This is synced to Shopify. I look at this every Monday and decide on what orders I should place with my suppliers. Previously, using a ton of Excel sheets, pivot tables, dropping in data, manipulating it, that's all gone. I don't have to do that anymore. And placing reorders now literally takes me no more than 20 minutes once a week, if that. So it's really cool to have a lot of time back to be able to focus on other projects that we're working on with Swoveralls. And if you are working with inventory, and if you are a e-commerce apparel brand or any brand that is working with inventory, then I highly recommend you check out Fabrikatör.